How to list channels on YouTube TV. You can view or customize your channel list on YouTube TV through the live guide. Follow these steps to access and organize your channels. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, mobile phone, or web browser. Sign into your Google account if required. Step 2. Access the Live tab. From the main menu, select the Live tab at the top of the screen. You will see the full list of live TV channels displayed in a grid. Step 3. View channel listings. Scroll through the live guide to see current and upcoming programs on each channel. Select a channel to watch live or see more details. Step 4. Customize the channel list. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Choose Live Guide from the Settings menu. Step 5. Edit channels. Rearrange channels by clicking and dragging them up or down to reorder. Uncheck channels you don't want to display in your guide. Save your changes and exit the Settings menu to apply the updates. Important notes. Customization per profile. Each YouTube TV profile can have a personalized channel list. Available channels. The channels you see depend on your subscription plan and location. Add-ons. Subscribe to add-ons, e.g., HBO Max, Paramount Plus, or sports packages to expand your channel list. This will help you organize and personalize your channel list on YouTube TV.